Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to deploy our application to the live web server. So the web server which we are going to choose is Heroku. It's a cloud platform where you can deploy the Java applications. Not only Java, you can also deploy other languages as well. But for now, we are going to stick to the Java. So the plan is first we have to push our code to the GitHub repository. From GitHub, we are going to push it to the Heroku. So let's go ahead and push it to the GitHub first. So let's go to the browser, and first you need to create a account in Heroku. I have already created an account in Heroku. It's completely free. You don't have to provide any credit card information. So go ahead and create an account inside the Heroku. Once you have created the account in Heroku, then come back to this GitHub. So I'll go ahead and create a new repository. I'm going to call this Spring Boot MongoDB YouTube playlist. Pretty big name, that's fine. And I'll choose this as public and click on this create repository. Okay, now let's go to the Eclipse, and I'm going to push this to the GitHub repository. So show local terminal. You can also choose git bash in case if you have git bash. So git init, I have initialized the git. So git status, git add and dot, this will add all to the staging area. Then git commit -m initial commit, and then I'm going to push it to the GitHub repository. First we need to add git remote. So let's copy this, paste it, now git push origin master. This is going to push it to the GitHub repository. This will ask me to enter the GitHub username and password. Alright, we have pushed our code to the GitHub master branch. So if you go to the browser and if you reload this, you should see the project that has been inside this Spring Boot MongoDB YouTube playlist repository. Alright, so now let's go to the Heroku and click on this create new app, or you can also create it here. You can also install the Heroku CLI and inside your local system, and you can push it from the Heroku CLI, but I will prefer this way. Click on this create new app. The app name, which I'm going to call this MongoDB Spring Boot Beta Tech, and you can see this is available. And now I'll go ahead and click on this create app. Okay, so now we are going to choose the GitHub, the way to deploy application. I will choose GitHub, and first we need to connect to the GitHub. Connect it to GitHub. Okay, it has been created, it has been connected to my GitHub repository. So now search for repository Spring Boot MongoDB and click on this search. It will display all the available repositories. I'm going to choose this one which we have just now pushed it. Click on this connect. This is automatically detect the Java application. Okay, first we have to choose whether which branch you have to deploy. I'm going to deploy the master branch, and I'm going to enable the automatic deploys. Click on this automatically deploys, and then click on this deploy branch. This is going to deploy the master branch to the Heroku platform. You can see it has been detected the Java, and it is going to first install all the dependencies. So very first time this will take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Alright, the application has been deployed and this is the URL. Just go ahead and copy this URL. I think I have copied the URL. Let me go to this, where I am. Okay, let's go to the Postman, and what I'll do is I'll open a new tab. Okay, I think I have not copied it. That's fine. Let's go back to our Heroku. I will check. Okay. Let's go to this view logs. I think inside the view logs we do get our URL, the deployed URL. Okay, what we can do is let's go to this settings, and if you scroll down, okay, here it is. So app name, let's copy this app name and go to this https:// and the URL slash, what is the URL for to-dos / to-dos. Okay, to-dos, and when I click on this send, alright, we are getting some exception. Okay, this is not a B2Tech only, b2tech.herokuapp.com, and when I click on this send, we do get 2 to-dos. Yes, we are getting 2 to-dos. Alright, so now we have deployed our application to the production server, and our app is live. So you can use this URL to test our work, but as soon as I upload this video to the YouTube, I'm going to remove this application, as well as I'm going to deactivate the MongoDB database, the cloud database as well. So I have just shown you the demo purpose for you guys, so make sure to try out yourself, and you can learn the things, how to deploy it to the production database, how to provision the production database, and how to deploy it to the Heroku platform. So that's all about this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video series as much as I enjoyed, and in case if you learned something out of this video course, then make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next series.